Halata sa ano.
Kaso naka-Jordan ako.
First time nyo lang po dito?
Ah.
Saan pa po kayo?
QC.
Oh wow. Suki namin ng QC. Auntie, what kind of dinosaur is that? Yeah, it's a Brontosaurus or a Brontosaurus.
Kabisado niya.
Mga ano, may dinosaur po sila na, so may mga sensor po yun. Once na may lumapit po, gagalaw tutunog po sila.
Oh.
Okay, may nakalagay po 10,000 volts dyan, so props lang yun. ML lang yun, ma'am. Okay, so naka 7 attraction po kayo na, so mahaba-habang lakaran yun.
Okay.
Papawisan po tayo.
See, oh, let's look at it's danger.
That is with dinosaurs?
Oo.
Talagang pumunta or may
What's that?
Sadya.
so kahapon pa po kayo.
Hindi, kanina lang.
Okay, can you touch the tail? So yung mga dinosaur po natin, no, so made po sila sa foam po tsaka rubber. So foam po yung loob and rubber po yung labas niyan para waterproof sila. Diba? Parang ulan lang.
You have no stamp.
I have a stamp here.
Napanood mo yung The Good Dinosaur movie? Yan, si Arlo.
Oh, panood mo yung Kobe? The Good Dinosaur?
Yeah.
Yan si Arlo.
Grow up.
Ah, ito may tour guide mo.
What kind of dinosaur is that? Yes, it's Parasaurolophus. Wow.
Dapat pala lagyan mo ng mic si Kobe.
Where's the mic? The Parasaurolophus name
Sa
is
kotse.
the best of the
Don't touch it.
Yeah, don't touch it. Oh,
Ah!
Look at the head.
Ah! I'm scared. Let's go to another dinosaur.
diba na?
Bye-bye. What's that? That's the moon.
Oh, Kobe.
Oh, what's that?
What kind of dinosaur is that?
Dinosaur.
Yes, it's the Stegosaurus. Okay, 3-0 na, 3-0.
Wait! The Stegosaurus.
Ayaw mo dun sa buhay, oh.
That one is dead.
Oh, dito, yan live, oh.
Alright.
What's this?
Okay, so gusto niya talaga sa patay.
Kita, oh.
How about this? Oh no.
Okay, again, what dinosaur is that?
Oh, stand ka dun, stand ka dun.
It's the Stegosaurus.
Let's go to another one.
Kasama na nga. Ay, nalagay ko ba yung Jesus?
No, para mahawakan mo si Kobe.
Okay, so this one naman puna is the Brachio. Yeah, it's the Brachiosaurus. So it sounds like yung syndrome niya nandun sa may
A brontosaurus.
Yes, it's related.
Yeah, it's moving.
Sa pinaka-last part nito mo may show ka. Yung dancing master pa.
What's this?
That's ano, name niya.
Ang galing, kabisado niya.
Oh! Oh!
A T-Rex.
Yeah, it's the baby T-Rex.
Yeah. Where's the mom one?
Later.
Nakikita mo yung mami niya. Nakakatakot mami niya.
Takot.
Ilan taon na po siya?
Oh, how old are you?
How old are you?
4.
Ang
Ay, yung pamunas.
Ah, boy, hindi ka.
That.
Kabisado niya na yan. 3 pa lang, 2 na nalolood na yan.
What kind of dinosaur is that? It's a Kentra. Yeah, it's the Kentrosaurus series is Titanosaurus.
There's the
Okay, so they call Damas dinosaur kasi po yung brain niya, singliit lang ng Max or the Wolf nila.
moving. He's not moving.
Ano, low bat yan. Wala siyang power bank. Low bat yan. That one is famous. So that one is the Angustinarepterus, not pterodactyl, but related to pterodactyl.
What's that?
Ilaw lang yan.
T-Rex!
Yeah,
My favorite!
Yes,
Yeah. T-Rex!
sila papakainin mo. May structure po na nasa taas. Ito po sa may bunganga for future purposes.
Okay po.
Doon po yung ticket natin, ma'am.
Ma'am, group picture muna kayo, ma'am.
Kobe!
May ano ka?
Bariya? Wala akong bariya.
May roller coaster din.
Roller coaster. Ba't ka na roller coaster?
Ilang kayo akit, ma'am?
Silang dalawa na lang.
Ay, ganun na lang.
Tama ka, sir. Ako na lang po mag-video.
Ah, sige.
Naka-video na yun, sir.
Ah.
Pwede nyo po siyang gamitin, wala na po. Nakusapin, nandun ko po.
Tingandaan kayo kay Pota. Yung ganun.
Pero yung pera ko, masaya. Ito yung sarap dun eh. Dressing outfit.
Pota.
Fight ka.
Ali mo na yung mga GoPro.
Saka. Puta ka manuwala ko. Puta ba lang wala rin pang tao. Picture na ka.
Sir, picture muna kayo sa camera, sir. Doon po.
Sige sa camera.
Tingnan daw sa ganun.
Smile. Thumbs up. Then roar.
Roar! Paggalawin natin si T-Rex.
What were eating as a dinosaur? Then put it down.
Small T-Rex. Okay, babay na ito na big T-Rex.
Now that was the end.
Sir, picture kayo doon, sir, sa baba.
Okay. Kobe! Here! Last picture!
Dito tayo, sir. Picture ko po kayo.
I got stuck in arm.
Ma'am, dito na lang tayo.
Dito tayo.
Smile. Look here, kuya. Thumbs up. Kuya.
Look here. Kobe.
Dinosaur pose. Roar. Thank you so much.
Dito tayo, sir.
What? What's this?
Oh!
Dead.
Head!
Ed.
Pero malapit ah.
We see the tiny.
Mukhang magiging vlogger ako bigla dito.
Oh, why did you get the baby?
I hate rolling because I get it.
Yeah, back mo na.
Pero cutie rin yan.
Oh! Careful. Oh!
Baka daw kasi kagatin siya.
Yan po yung dinosaur na nag-i-spit ng saliva na merong venom ala. Okay, one of the dangerous dinosaurs.
Ganda ko, Bio.
From ano yan? China.
It's a parang dangerous.
Then the
Ay, saliva. Sana, sabi. Yung saliva.
what?
Okay, before Spinosaurus, Kobe, we have Swariosaurus, famous the world star. So this one they call Chinese dinosaur because the fossil of this discovered in China.
Yeah.
So kaya ganyan po yung position niya, tinutumba niya yung puno dyan para mapili niya yung mga kakainin ng dahon. So only fresh leaves o sariwang dahon lang yung gusto niya. So yung Kobe, picky eater, ma-archer. Okay, so the mortal enemy of T-Rex in Jurassic movie. So this one is the Spinosaurus, name means spinal lizard.
Run! Run!
Ma'am, picture kayo dito lang. Sir, sabihin niyo na yun.
Sige.
Ay, dyan lang po tayo sa may puti, ma'am.
Apo. Then dinosaur po. Okay po.
What's this?
Video lang, sir.
Ay, may picture na dun eh. Kukunin ko na lang mamaya.
Wolves! What are those?
Oh no!
Blue! Yeah.
That's blue?
Yeah. Yeah. You cannot
Dito
move.
naman po, sa may dinosaur sleep, sir. Dito po.
Sige. Thank you. Pwede yung screenshot.
Kobe! Kobe! Dito, fade away ka dito. Kobe, oh. Go to your dad. Ay, hindi tayo magpapahinga. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Thumbs up. Then dinosaur pose.
Okay po, dito naman po.
Dito naman po, sa kabila, Kobe. Sa kabila, Kobe.
Kobe, dito naman kay Blue.
Oh, sakto naka-blue ka, oh.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Thumbs up. Dinosaur pose. Okay po.
Thank you po.
Wait. Wait.
Okay, so this one called is the Baronis Dinosaur, so the ancestor of crocodile. Let me go inside, Kobe. Kobe, go inside.
What happened said to go there?
Go inside.
You will see.
Tama kayo, sir. Para magkakuha.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Thumbs up. Then dinosaur pose, ma'am. Labas niyo po yung kamay niyo, ma'am. Okay po, thank you.
Oh no! Oh no, Cookie! Yay! It is China! This is the end.
No.
Wait.
Isuglakan naman ni Kobe.
Kobe, what dinosaur is that?
What? Triceratops.
Yeah, it's Triceratops. And that one, Styracosaurus, named in sister of Church Mimic. So these two dinosaurs related to each other.
Yeah. And this one is
Triceratops.
blue.
Velociraptor. It's a Velociraptor. And that one, what is that? It's Alo.
But did you get their
Okay, so
age?
that one is the Allosaurus.
But did you get their age before or?
Sa balot dinosaur.
What's
Sa
that?
balot dinosaur.
Oh. Ano na? Abandoned car.
Mandot car?
Car ni Ninong Fred mo yan.
Friend ko to?
sides again. So that one, that color green is the iguanodon, and that color brown is the velociraptor.
Yeah.
Be one of the smartest and fastest dinosaurs.
Abroad?
Yeah, it's a brown.
Oh, he's my friend?
Yes.
Kuya is your friend.
Hello, are you my friend?
Okay, so that one is the Dimetrodon. So name is ito Dimetrodon. So Dimetrodon po is the first ever dinosaur.
That's the ano daw.
First ever,
First ever
pinaka-unang
dinosaur.
dinosaur.
First
So
ever dinosaur.
the last exist of that one is the 245 million years ago.
What?
First exist of dinosaur. 245 million years ago. Okay, go. Go inside, go.
The bone! This is the bone!
Okay, go look at this. Come on. Okay, so this one po no is the Archaeator, name means Artesian. So this dinosaur po, everyday bandwidth. So mainitin po yung ulo niya.
Oh, no. Ikaw pala yan.
Ay, ito daw daw. Irritator ka daw.
Ha?
Look what I found.
What?
It's the bone hand.
Nag-vlog kayo, sir?
Hindi. Inaano ko lang para...
The bone hand.
Pwede rin. No!
What?
Para pagtanda niya, may mapanood.
Wait, I found something!
Sabi ko. Uy, wag ganun, Kobe.
Mali yan, mali.
Mali. In front lang.
Ate yan.
Oh, come on na.
Tama na.
Find another bone.
Baka makatalsikan pa yung mata mo.
Yeah.
Halika
Oh, bitaw mo na yan.
Ibitaw mo na yan.
Let's find this bone.
Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go. There's so many dinosaur pa.
What?
Okay, let's go to the show, Cody. We have a show dancing mascot dinosaur.
What? What?
We have a dancing mascot dinosaur.
What? Really?
Yeah.
Wow. So this is the bone. On the sand.
Look.
Gano'n, parang hindi naman sa best friend eh. Ano siya?
No, it's over. Come on.
Okay, let's go to the show, Cody.
Come on. Kobe, come on.
Oh, careful ah.
Ma'am, sir, sa pinaka-last part mo ng mission, pero waiting lang po kayo sa pagtawag.
Sige.
So, when waiting po, kayo po ng pagkain dyan, water, or dance po. Ang CR din po dyan ang 3 lang po.
Sige po.
Ano lang po dyan yung pagkain sa sir. Okay, Cody, yun yung bad ni Galapagos po.
Kobe, don't go there.
May baon kang damit.
You're not allowed to.
Baka mahulog ka rin na. Okay na, upo muna kayo sa loob ng tatawagin na lang ako ng mama.
Wait. Ride. If you want to open the world ride. I don't hear you. Good.
Oh, don't cry ha. Don't be scared. Or always think it's only a mascot. Okay?
Yeah. We are just mans. That's our friend.
Yes.
All of them is your.
It's only motorized.
Yeah, that's
If
His
the
name is Motorized.
pag nag-open yung mouth
He
nila.
is the motorized dinosaur.
Combination to mami, di ba?
No. Pag open yung mouth nila, wala blood.
Yeah, di ba open, tapos ginanon yung ano mo, wala kang blood nun kasi ito ni foam.
It's going.
Parang hirap yata yung Look, it's Tito Enong. Ha? No, it's not Tito Enong. Look, it's look like Tito Enong.
Hirap naman nun sa bag. Takot siya eh.
Ikaw. Alam mo na yan? That's Tito Enong. That's Tito Enong.
Ay, sound good.
Now we need to go home.
Another, parang as dinosaur. Not scary at all, no? No?
There's another one.
Bye, Dino!
It's more like you. I told you. I told you it's like Daddy. Daddy, sorry. Oh no. I'm so sad.